coverage you can count on with Chief Meteorologist Taylor Knust and the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network.
Very active start to 2023 across the southern U.S., and that includes us here in Alabama. We have one more confirmed tornado from that severe weather event we had a couple weeks ago back on January 12th. An EF0 tornado with maximum winds of 76 miles per hour occurred on that afternoon in eastern Jackson County, just to the north and east of Pisgah. It was on the ground for a few minutes and traveled only 2 miles, but nonetheless, another confirmed tornado from that event a couple weeks ago. As for today, it's just been trending cooler as the day has worn on. We started off in the 50s. Temperatures have been steadily falling through the day, and now we find ourselves in the 30s in most spots. Huntsville, 39 degrees right now. We are down to 37 in Scottsboro and Guntersville, 38 at this hour in Athens. Overnight lows will be in the mid-30s for most of us. Here's another look at the Way 31 Storm Tracker Early Warning Radar Network. Things quieting down. It was a little bit more widespread with the showers earlier this evening. Pretty isolated at this point. We'll zoom in a couple spots here. Right around our Guntersville radar on the Early Warning Radar Network, we have rain showers near Guntersville. Some of the higher terrain locations might be seeing a brief wintry mix, and that might also be the case in eastern parts of Jackson County moving into northern DeKalb County. So just to the east of Scottsboro, heading near Henniger at this point and north of Fort Payne. Might be a few snow showers occurring at this hour. Again, little to no accumulation is expected if you do happen to see snow tonight or early in the day on a Thursday. The area most likely to see a dusting of snow primarily on elevated surfaces or on the grass is going to be up in Franklin County, Tennessee, where we could see redeveloping snow showers early in the day on Thursday. Most of us will be dry tomorrow in North Alabama, perhaps a brief passing wintry mix shower, but most of tomorrow is looking dry across the region. Again, up in Franklin County near Suwanee over to Winchester, a dusting possible, likely going to stay snow-free with accumulation for the rest of the region, which is certainly good news for anyone with travel plans. Here's what you can expect when you head out the door tomorrow morning. In Huntsville, temperatures will be in the mid to upper 30s. A little bit of a breeze out there could drop those wind chills to the low 30s early tomorrow. 20% chance of that passing shower early in the day. And then we'll probably get a little sun by tomorrow afternoon. It's going to be a cooler than normal day, though, tomorrow with highs in the low 40s, 42 in Guntersville and 43 in Moulton. A little bit better by Friday. Highs in the low and mid 50s, 50 in Huntsville, but up to 54 in Decatur and in Muscle Shoals. Here's your weekend forecast. Temperatures continue to climb on Saturday. Great Saturday with a high of 58 and some sunshine. And then wet weather returns on Sunday, and that's going to be the start of what should be a pretty wet week next week. The Weather Prediction Center is showing a better chance than not that it will be a wetter than average end to January and start to February. Here's why. We're going to be caught between warm air to our southeast and colder than average air to our northwest. We're going to be basically in the battle zone where a lot of rain will develop over and over again next week across much of the region, including North Alabama. Here's what that looks like for us. Great chance for some rain on Sunday. Few showers possible Monday, and then Tuesday and Wednesday next week, more rain likely. That could continue into next Thursday as well. We may end up with several inches of rain